Hey guys, I'm here with Micah Haggers in my house. And do as a realtor, I'm always giving recommendations of people to use somebody. And this one was kind of personal because I was doing my own roof. Not by insurance, but by me. So
Which is a lot of money.
It is.
You got to trust the person.
It
Big
is.
time.
And
Yeah.
so I had total of 9 quotes, which is kind of amazing. And
I did not know that.
yeah, it was kind of insane. But here is why you're working for me.
Mm-hmm.
Is because you were consistent. You kept calling. You were willing to answer my questions, even some of the most ridiculous questions I had. But you never made me feel stupid. And that's what I always tell my clients. When you find somebody that you're willing to work with, no matter what questions you ask, you never feel stupid or they don't take advantage of you, or, like you can get to the personal side of it.
Yeah.
And that's why I went with you. And remember, I waited. So Micah and I first spoke, and he had gotten injured, and I waited for his quote.
And now we're both, not on crutches, but both hobbling around.
Yeah, crippled.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So tell me how you guys came up with the name and how long you've been in business, and what is your favorite thing about your business and the only thing you don't like about it. I know those are tough
It's a loaded question. So we've been in business almost 12 years. Started in Kentucky. Then I had 2 little kids. And I said, I probably need some babysitters. So we moved back home and let their grandparents, my parents, be the babysitters that we needed. And so we just brought the extension of the company down here. I came up with the name because I was like, what is a good idea? And I was like, hey, Idea Roofing. It's a good idea. So, and I realized very quickly in just talking to other business owners that names don't matter. Customer service, quality, communication, that's a huge one because a lot of people don't communicate very well. All those things matter. And so we've just been lucky enough to have really good homeowners. And there have been some few that, which is probably the bad part. The bad part is just those couple bad apples a year, that's just, you can't, there's no way to make them happy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that's probably the only bad thing. I love owning a company. Love it. I just love the freedom of it. But you get to meet people like you, so that's always fun.
Yeah.
That answer all your questions?
And you said you like drone pictures.
I'm going to get you some pretty drone pictures. It's going to be really pretty of your roof. You'll like them. And then you can share it with them.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Well, there you go.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Absolutely.